Good morning, everyone. True Zero Emissions here. So I just successfully used the pin. Let's see what this is called. A pin release tool. Electrical pin release tool set. Amazon. I looked for the one that was the thinnest in both directions. This is very, very sharp. And this one fit in there. And I'll try to show you how I used it. So if you look at this, this one here, there's a hole so look where the wire comes out. You see that metal part where it comes out? So just above that, not below it, because below it's a very large hole, right? Above it is a small hole, and I'm going to go ahead and push this pin in the other side. I'm not going to try to take it out with one hand, but I'm going to try to show you. Let me put the pin in there and I'll come back and pick the phone up in a second. 1 second, please. I'm going to show you how I got the pin in there. The tool. If I can get my phone to focus. Okay, so you see how the pin is just above, the tool is just above the pin that comes through. So what I needed to do was, I had to make sure that I pushed the wire, I had to push it in and then push the tool in and then kind of shake them both back and forth, and then it released it. Because what's happening is on this, if you look on the red wire, here, you see that top part? That's the part we're pushing down with the tool. We got to push that down just a little. We're not trying to permanently bend it. We're just trying to push it down to release this. But now I can solder a wire. So the idea is, what I'm thinking is, I can solder my red wire, or I can solder a wire on this and then come out, right, and go to this, right? That's what I'm thinking. Right now, that's what I'm thinking about. That way I'll have my power there going there. And I think, let me think about this. Yeah, it makes sense to me that I need to be able to shut the power off going to this. That way this is not consuming power. Wait, let me think about this. Oh no, wait a second. What am I thinking? This is only going to have power going to it when the lights are on. Very good, very good. Okay, yeah, everything's fine. So I'm going to go, so what's going to happen is I'll have wires coming out of this, going to this, and then from here into these tiny LEDs. That way when my headlight's on, when all the lights are on the scooter, these will also come on as well. But the voltage will be stepped down from the headlight voltage, was 82 volts. No wonder they're so bright, right? 82 volts, stepping down to 24 volts, which I control by how I adjust the screw on top of this blue part right here. Right? And I adjust that screw on top of there. That's going to control the voltage, and I'll have to do that when power's going to it. Right there, you see that? The tool is called a flathead screwdriver. I don't know if it has any other names, it probably does. But when I turn that, it seems like when I turn it clockwise, the voltage goes lower, and counterclockwise is increasing. No, I think clockwise is increased. I don't remember actually. I don't recall which way is which, but the voltage will show, the output will show, the voltage will change. Okay everyone, until the next video, see you soon.